How to use Snapchat camera. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Snapchat's camera, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're really a bit unaware about the way the camera works on Snapchat and then how you can use it to record and send your snaps, there are a couple of steps you need to follow. Right, and when you open up Snapchat, you'll be on the snap page where you can choose between a couple of filters, right? So choose between filters. Now if you want to switch between the front and the rear camera, you can tap on this little loop icon from the top right. That will allow you to switch between the back camera and the front camera. Now if you want, you can just go ahead and record a video just like this, depending upon what kind of video it is that you want. Then after that you should be able to send this to your friends. Now of course, if you want to use the camera, as always, you just need to make sure that you have enabled the camera access for the Snapchat app in settings, and from there on you should be able to use the camera app without any issues. This way you should be able to use Snapchat camera. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.